If you're brand new and really feel like you need to build an even more solid foundation before taking the next step, the best place for you is to go to our Trading and Investing Orientation course, designed to take somebody from the ground all the way through to give them a real good understanding of all of the different asset classes. You'll learn about Forex, futures, options, stocks. You'll learn in more detail how to build your business. You'll start to be able to understand proprietary structures to your trade plan, position sizing, how leverage really works, and also more in-depth strategy. And what's even better is this is a fully interactive course. There'll be a number of broken down lessons all into bite-sized chunks that you can look at in your own pace. And throughout this, you'll be working with our student momentum coach to build your own trading and investing blueprint, which you'll have at the end of this when you do your final call. It's a perfect place for anybody to start to really build the confidence and move on to the next level of their trading and investing.